and the Executive Council of the Ghana Football Association officially omodi edwumadi nema Kasim Okansi Mengels then na oye Nations FC head coach. But Eugene, the Emmanuel much excited about the technical squad of the Black Galaxies. And they say Yukra names during their playing time, they did very well as players and stay away from football. Back coaching mono. Yetimi draw mo to our national team. Minim say Okansi the head coach. Minim say Samuel Bodu an assistant. Minim say Godwin Atram also assistant. Also na minim say Stephen Aholu, former Black Stars goalkeeper. Ono a goalkeeper's trainer. Eugene, I'm listing these names based on the fact say the Black Galaxies yomo lusu omo self-image omo building as a club or as a football organization. Yenim say the Black Galaxies omo prime competition the CHAN competition. You establishing the fact say the last CHAN a course the countries from Central Africa it was 2 years in the shape of Uganda, Tanzania and Kenya. Eugene, we failed to qualify. Nigeria and Entimi Mayan qualify for the last CHAN. Matchroom said the 3 clubs from the Central Africa, the 3 countries from Central Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda. It was here. The Black Galaxies did not appear. Eugene, Jesus said the Black Galaxies will redeem their image under Kansi Okanze Mengels. Into what list here or there be a list undoubtedly. So we follow the Ghana Premier League. Apart from the fact that you need to play a beer room with a good reason from Kasim Mengels region. I think that the squad at that screen issue many material for enjoy our Facebook here squad ideally what follow Ghana Premier League the biano every player wahano a deserving to be part of the team. Now Eugene, the catcher on say since they did media anymore, I think say this is going to be their first test, and it's against Bafana Bafana, and the former Bafana up, and the last AFCON in Cote d'Ivoire, how Rodwin Williams and South Africa for it me as revive or image at the CAF competition. A talk also the World Cup qualifiers. You Eugene, a said the Bafana are in the form of their life. Into this test, ideally, a friendly game. You bet me I establish a fact and I said this friendly game is to the advantage of the South Africans because they are going for an immediate competition in the shape of AFCON. Into a test for the South Africans, but on the other side is a test for the technical team members. Until I'm listed the names are established, the opportunity among of the technical team, executive council of the Ghana Football Association in Nimuye. Into Eugene, Kasimo Ganse Menga and the technical handlers, no. Say, Yebenya Gidio say the Black Galaxies will rise to its former. It starts from the game against Bafana Bafana. Ideally, the results will not be in the interest of any Ghanaian. The style of play, the game plan, and how our team members setting up, and that most Ghanaians will look out for. Into the episode, I catch Kasim Mengels money say. Even though said there are reasons to omissions of Kotoko players in the region, we are expecting them to give out good show against Bafana Bafana a week today. And see, that is the message to the Black Galaxies technical team. Release a list of 20 players. You should say they are the players. Omutimi Ebua or respective clubs, and they have to get the opportunity to wear the national jersey. And on that tangent, the Moon say a week today, the technical handlers of the Black Stars, Yebenyo Mumujidi say they are reviving the Black Galaxies to its past glory. Eugene,